I'm Nat, and this is James. For over 2 years, we've been sailing the world aboard our floating home, Zephyr. Someone once said that every person can transform the world to one of excitement and adventure. Follow our adventure by clicking the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss an episode. Become a patron by clicking the Patron logo. You will get early access to weekly videos, exclusive content, and much more.
My baby, I don't cover that I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord.
We are here on the beautiful island of Dominica, and we're finally allowed out after our 1 week quarantine. We've been waiting for our friends to arrive so that we can all hire a car together. So that happens tomorrow. We're gonna hire it for 5 days and do as much hiking as possible because that's the nature island, that's what you're meant to do here.
Yeah, waterfalls.
So we're really looking forward to it actually. And that's it, isn't it? We are ready. Where are we headed today, James?
It's a huge day today. We've rented a car and we're pretty excited. We're going to go explore Dominica. We've got a big day planned. We're going to go check out Syndicate Falls and a couple of other things. So, yeah, let's get cracking.
All right, let's lock this bad boy up and get going.
Every day was filled with fear. When you feel you wanted more, suddenly you're on the floor. And I left my heart with you. There is nothing else.
This is where I fall in.
I would like to have it back. It's broken and far from intact.
What do you think about the car? Are you happy with it? Well, James doesn't have the safest seatbelt.
Yeah, what do you think of this super safe seatbelt? Try and say that 3 times fast. I think we got to have perfect driving today.
It's flawless driving. At least you can hug Ed if you wanted to. You can reach.
Complications, and now we're slowly fading. I know what's on your mind, but now
You have the chart lockers as well. We are at the Syndicate Falls. Dun, dun, dun. We think.
We hope. This is the most important thing. There are no poisonous snakes in Dominica. And I think that's the best name for a bug ever. Crack, crack. Crack, crack. Crack, crack. Lots of bots. And the famous Hercules beetle.
it is not all said and done, and we can.
And we are off to Syndicate Falls.
That's right. Hard already. Turn back while we can.
We couldn't wait for the first kiss. Here comes the complications, and now we're slowly fading. I know what's on your mind, but now it's time to move on. Enough with all the answers. There's nothing here to light up. In time we'll meet again, so please just let me go. Would you like to come home? Just as a friend I know that you want. Just like you did before.
I think we've taken the wrong trail. Tail?
The wrong tail?
The wrong trail.
The wrong trail?
Because there's no waterfall on this one.
No.
We can hear it, or we can hear water, but not the right one.
Here comes the complications, and now we're slowly fading. I know
hear the waterfalls?
Yes.
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 Is that your best New Zealand?
Yeah.
How incredible is this? We're on the Syndicate Falls Trail Walk, and it's incredible. We just crossed the first river, and I think we have a few more before we get to the waterfall. But we're just going through some cool jungle, and I am right.
Dominica is the youngest island of the Lesser Antilles. It rises from the ocean floor, and with its mountainous forests, waterfalls, hot springs, 365 rivers, and plenty of rare birds, animals, and plant life, it is no wonder it is known as the Nature Island of the Caribbean.
We were getting so lost on this trail, and we only need to go like 200 meters to a waterfall. We're supposed to like zigzag. We just keep getting so lost, but we're back on the trail now. So. There we go. Back on the trail. I think everybody's thinking the same thing. How do you sing the Jurassic Park theme song again? It's just coming into view now, but check this out. Syndicate Falls.
Beautiful, hey? We finally found it. James is about to fly the drone.
Surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise with me. My little baby go ride with me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, love. Everything go from Maria. Kilimanjaro. My little baby go rise with me. My little baby go ride with me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, everything go from Maria.
Where are we now?
The Tilu Kanawa restaurant. We're starving, hey? It's like 3 o'clock. It's Spanish time. It's Spanish time. Yeah. Hello. It's amazing.
How's the views in this restaurant?
Wow.
That's a restaurant with a view, isn't it?
Yeah. My goodness. That is beautiful.
That is something else.
That's exactly that is the snap time.
Wow. I'm gonna try a dashi.
Do you know what's in that?
Nope, but it tastes incredible. Wow.
And you got chicken with peach.
Chicken with peach, and we got a chicken taco with cassava shell. So, but this, wow.
What's your favorite?
Oh my god. What do you think of the food?
Amazing. Those cassava tacos. They're made out of cassava. It was unbelievable.
And what were those little things, the croquetas?
Yeah, I don't know what they were called, but they were really good. After some great food in our bellies, we head to the Blackbeard's goat farm. This great couple started their very own working goat dairy farm. Their goat's cheese was unreal. I guess it goes without saying, happy goats equals amazing cheese.
It takes more than 2 weeks to do that. We went there to get the mail. Special? It's sort of like the low more.
Do you always tie their back feet like that?
No, only some of them. Some of them are like, she's pretty prone to stomping and causing a ruckus, and then some of the other ones is just alignment. It just aligns the goat better. But she is a pretty stompy one. So.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that one sounds
That's like on turbo, wow.
We got everybody in!
Next up, we are introduced to the youngest goats, and I become known as the Goat Whisperer.
You didn't know you were going to have to help a goat today, did you?
No. People pay for this as well. Have you seen the yoga with
Goat
goats?
yoga?
Yeah, that's it. Goat yoga.
It's huge.
Yeah,
Yeah, if you want them to come near you, you usually put like hay by your yoga mat, and they'll come and they'll jump on your shoulder. Oh, look, I got a little stick bug on me.
Oh,
It's like a little baby one.
Wow.
yeah.
Oh,
He was
Fell
blending in.
I don't know where he went.
very cool.
It was tiny.
All right, we good? After learning all about the interesting process and of course meeting all of the goats, we head inside to try some of this amazing cheese.
She wants someone to pet her.
I've seen a lot of YouTube goat videos. So we're here at
Blackbeard's Dairy in Calabishi, Dominica. We have a couple of goats around here. We just milk them and make different types of cheese. We're trying with a chèvre right now and a feta. And also we have the Blackbeard's Cannonball. It's great. And then also milk, dabbling into yogurts, some Greek yogurt. So yeah, come on down and visit us.
Yes, definitely. Look at this. This is what we're going home with tonight. I'll probably finish it in the night. So we'll be back.
awesome.
Day 2 at Spanny Falls. And then Jacko Steps and then Emerald Pools. Look at that, that's beautiful.
Now you want to spend more time with me.
Problems with my booty getting through.
Attaboy, Ed. We're at the bottom of the Jacko Steps and mind-blowing.
If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you can join the adventure each week aboard Zephyr.
If you would like early access to weekly videos, bonus content, and free merch, click the Patron logo here. This journey is only made possible thanks to our amazing patrons.